I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, where we bring you anything and everything to do with the topic of annoying sounds. We've all experienced it before, that one sound that just grates on your nerves and makes you want to cover your ears. But what exactly makes a sound annoying? Well, there are a few factors that contribute to the annoyance of a sound. One of them is volume. If a sound is too loud, it can be overwhelming and disrupt our ability to concentrate or relax. On the other hand, if a sound is too quiet, it can be frustrating because we have to strain to hear it. Another factor is repetition. If we hear the same sound over and over again, it can become monotonous and drive us crazy. Think about the sound of a dripping tap or a loud truck driving by your house every morning at the same time. The pitch of a sound can also play a role in its annoyance. High-pitched sounds can be particularly irritating because they tend to pierce through other noises and disrupt our auditory senses. And finally, context is important. A sound that might be pleasant in one situation could be extremely annoying in another. For example, the sound of birds chirping outside your window might be soothing in the morning, but if you're trying to sleep, it can be very annoying. So there you have it. Volume, repetition, pitch, and context are all factors that can make a sound annoying. Do you have any particularly annoying sounds that drive you crazy? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.